Now he goes outside to drink water, even though he has a water bowl with fresh water inside. He prefers to drink rainwater like this.
Freddy. Freddy. Time to get up. Time to get up, Freddy.
He insists to do this every time after a bath, for the love of Pete. Good grief. Unreal. You're ridiculous.
Jonas, you've got to go home.
Wants to stay with Nona.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Roxy, baby. Hey.
It's just a story.
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Betty, you're supposed to be walking.
Do you need an exorcism?
Oh. No. 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 Eight, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Guaranteed to get those obliques in motion. First, you get a puppy. Then, you start tossing. And he's gonna come back to the center, like a good little training buddy, and you toss him. And he comes back to center, and you toss him. The whole while, you're engaging your core.
Today, Russia's Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov said the
Turn around, he's gonna hit you in the eye.
already broken U.S.-Russia relations, but that he hoped the damage would not.
I am a genius.
Buttons, what did you do? Did you not look after the puppet?
It's okay. Come on. You're doing it. Come on, honey.
Back up, get out of his face and make him come.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, Solo.
Duncan. Duncan. Duncan.
This is hilarious. So you can be right next to me, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look. Look, Winston. The people looking at you. Yep, you. What is you doing?
Oppa, where did he go? Oh.
Spotsky, hey!
Hi, buddy. Hi. No.
I would like your undivided attention, please. You couldn't handle my undivided attention.
What's all over your face? Huh? You're a mess.
Sand sprinkles.
You sugarcoat it?
It's a kitty. There's the kitty. He's a good boy.
Does anybody else dog sleep like this?
Look, cuz, I'm just trying to drop your packages off on the front porch. Cuz, let me make it. I'm just trying to drop. It may be something for you. It may be something for you, man. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Let me drop your packages off. I'm just gonna set them right here. I'm sorry.
Sit. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw.
I love you. I love you.
That was a good
I
one.
love you.
What in the fuck is this?
All right, Midnight, go ahead. Goat and pygmy goat. Oh, they love each other. Yes, they do. What do you think? Oh, love.
Let's say she got her plate. She's ready. She's Thanksgiving ready. Where my food at?
Crazy.
Kitty.
Do you know what day it is today? It's your birthday! Okay. Come here. Why do you hate your birthday? Okay. Okay. Do you like bananas? Do you like bouncing balls? But you hate birthdays?
Bad, Minnie. She was in the trash can. Bad. No, she bad. Ooh, you so bad. No, stop. She bad. She near whooping. Look what she did with the trash can. You bad girl. Oh my God.
No treats. Harry worked it out.
Harry's not silly.
Tommy's coming up on here.
Tell it it's not real.
Where's your guys' home reservations? Excuse me? Yes? No, really?
¿Te parece bien hacerte catalogar a tu padre?
Max, come. Max, come here. Max, this way.
Stay there, sis.
And lead all souls into heaven, especially those who are in most need of your divine mercy. Hail, Holy Queen, Mother of Mercy. Hail our life, our sweetness, and our hope.
Did you do this right here? Who tore that Kleenex up? Casey? Casey, did you tear the Kleenex up?
What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy You
You got your dog pee. You got your puppy.
Will you please just come inside? Please. Oh my, thank you. Thank you. Been trying to get you inside for 2 hours.
Come here. Let me tell you a secret. There's cats. Here, let me tell you another secret. Come here. There's cats. Sam, come here. Let me tell you a secret. Come here. Let me tell you a secret. There's cats. Yes, there is.
Good boy. Good boy. Good sit. Hey, buddy.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.